Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisha and I do makeup. And today, since Christmas is like right around the corner, when I'm recording this, it's like in 5 days. So what I want to do is a Christmas candy cane inspired look, and let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So for this look, I'm going to go ahead and start on my eyebrows first. But guys, look at this cute headband I got from the dollar store. I'm just going to use this to pull my hair back. So the first thing we're going to do for these brows is we are going to gel them down. I'm going to use some of this laminating brow gel, and I'm just going to use that on my brows. Also guys, by the way, before I start like saying anything else, I just want to apologize for the really bad lighting. It looks just horrible in here. I'm so sorry because my light just died on me. So I'm using a temporary light right now, and I'm not even gonna lie, this sucks. This looks really bad, but we're gonna push through it and we're gonna try and finish this video. My brows are dry. I just gelled them down. So next up, we're gonna actually start the brows. I'm gonna use this Milani Weekend Brow, and this has literally been like a game changer. We are going to fill in our black brows. They're gonna be natural brows, and so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna start working from the outer corner in, light strokes, just like that. Light strokes, just filling it in. And then as we get into here, make sure you're following your hairs, your natural hairs. Okay, so I know that they're not good. I know I'm really bad at brows anyways. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to be using a spoolie to go through this, and just to make sure that all our brow hairs are coated with this stuff. So I'm just gonna use this spoolie that I had. So I'm just gonna go like this. Okay guys, so I went ahead and shaped them, and they look like this, and they look a whole lot better. I don't know what was going on just then, but they look so much better. I used some, where is my brush at? Okay, I used some concealer, this concealer is just the usual concealer that I use. I put some on that little brush, and then I went around and I just shaped up the areas, and I made them look identical. They don't look like twins, they look like cousins. But that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the concealer around it a little bit. Not even gonna lie, I've just always been bad at brows. I don't know why. I'm like good at everything else except for brows. So the next step that we are going to be doing is actually eyeshadow. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put on some primer. I'm just priming my eyelids with regular primer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put eyeshadow primer over it. And the reason we are doing our eyeshadow first today is because the eyeshadow look that I have planned is very intricate, and I'm going to use a lot of tools with it. Okay, eyeshadow primer is on my eyes, and guys, we're going to do something that I haven't done on this channel yet. We're going to use some tape. I'm a little bit scared. Okay, I decided to put them on like this, so when we take it off, it's just going to be a nice crisp winged eyeliner look, eyeshadow look, my bad. And that's exactly what we want. So now we're gonna pick out our eyeshadow colors for this candy cane look. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this Meredith Duxbury palette, and first color I'm gonna be using is this color right here called Hot Glam. So that is the first color I'm gonna be using, and I'm just gonna put that in my inner corners right here. Just like that, just a sparkle of some white in our inner corner eyelid space. Okay, we did our white in that space. So now I'm gonna move on to this color, red. Oh my god, it's called a lobster roll. Lobster roll. Just gonna take that red, that's a very bright red. Let me dab some of it off. I know I got a lot. And then right next to that white, just gonna add this red. Alright guys, so here is our candy cane eye look so far. Here it is. What I did is I actually used another color. So I used Hot Glam, and I also used this color right here. This color is called Crumpet, and actually it's like this light, maybe kind of like beige, but it's also kind of like white. So I used that. And as you can see, I went in with another area of white and then some red. But now we're just gonna take the tape off, and we're gonna see how we did Wow, that looks clean. Okay guys, that looks pretty good. Later on, I'm going to be adding some of these little rhinestones that I got off of Amazon, but I want to do the rest of my face first. Okay, so I put some primer on, and also what I did is I kind of extended these a little bit more up. So I'm going to go ahead and use this e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation that I've basically been using in every single video. So I'm just going to apply it on my face like this. There's so much glitter on my face, by the way. Oh my gosh. Just gonna apply it in all the usual spots that I usually put it in. Alright guys, my foundation was done, and I'm gonna start on concealer. As you can see, I already put it on, but it's this e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some setting spray because that's what I do before I blend out my concealer. Okay, it's been sprayed, and now I'm going to blend that out. Alright guys, so now I'm going to start on my contour. As you can see, I've been using the Fenty Beauty contour stick, and what I did is I went with my cheeks right here, and I also used this on my forehead like so. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a brush like this. I'm just going to put it in some Fenty Beauty contour, and then I'm going to contour my nose like this. And honestly, and like basically all of my past videos, I've been contouring my nose like this. Just putting some at the bottom, and then right where we made our line with our concealer, we are going to shrink it down on both sides and make it smaller, and then we're just going to keep on doing that in the middle until it's to where you want it at. And also I'm just going to go just like this, and then right here, so we can make a connection between the bridge and the tip of the nose. Okay, so I did my nose contour and I blended that out, and now I blended out the contour on my forehead. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and blend out this cheek contour. We're going to use this contouring brush, and we're just going to go like this, like so, and then just blend that out and blend it down. Now we're going to move on to blush. Oh, I just dropped my brush. So for blush, we're going to be using the ColourPop liquid blush. So I'm take this, gonna use it just a couple dots. Now we're gonna blend this out, and then once this is all blended, we're gonna move on to powder. Okay, so I feel like with this video, I already have like a lot going on with like the eye look and everything, and plus I'm just getting a little bit tired. So I just wanna, I'm not gonna bake under my eyes. I'm only gonna set with this banana powder. I literally love this, but I am gonna be baking underneath here, just cutting this. I always bake down here, like I always do that, and that's what I do first. So I'm gonna take one of these things, dab it in there just like that. I have some on here, and then on my hand I'm just gonna tap it a couple times. Oh my god, it keeps getting everywhere, like every single video. It's mandatory. Go like this, just like that. All right, so while we are waiting on that to be done baking, we're gonna go ahead and set. So I'm just putting this in here like this. I mean, yeah, I can tap it off a little bit, but we're not baking or anything. And basically with my nose contour, like the blank space on my nose, I went over it with this Fit Me pressed powder in the shade 130 Buff Beige just to make that matte. I also went over with this banana powder on my forehead and on my chin, so when I dust this off, it'll look all complete. And now we're just going to work on this area of our face by setting. And by setting, I'm going to go ahead and do this. Just like this. Alright guys, so my face is mostly matte now, so I'm going to go ahead and brush this away on both sides. Do want to do a white waterline, so I'm going to go ahead and do that with this pencil. Just going to go ahead and do a waterline to match the candy cane, so I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to go ahead and use some highlighter, NYX Jumbo highlighter stick in this shade. Where is the shade at? Where's the shade? Okay, I don't see the shade anymore on here. I think I peeled it off. Dude, where's the shade at? Okay, well, it's white. Just get a white one. Like, so I'm just gonna use this on my nose. Like, oh my god, it's so cute. Anytime I do my highlighter and I just see how it looks, I just get so happy because I love highlighter, guys. Okay, guys, I almost forgot. Let's go ahead and do some mascara. I feel like we have to do mascara with this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my lower lash line. All right, guys, I went ahead and put on some mascara, and now is the time that I have been waiting for. I've been so excited to do this. It is the little rhinestones. I'm really happy to do this because I haven't worked with rhinestones like ever on my face. So I have these tweezers, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the little covering off. Now, I got these off of Amazon, and they're just these makeup rhinestone decorations, and we're gonna go ahead and put it around like so. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take one of these kind of medium-sized ones. Oop, it's not moving. I can't even pick it up. Okay, got it, just like this, and I'm gonna close my eye. I'm just gonna put it right there. Wow, it's really cute. Now I just want to put this one right here. Okay, that's cute. I'm gonna go ahead and do this entire eye, and then I'll see you on the next eye. All right, guys, take a look at this eye. This is actually amazing. This is going like really well. Like, this is like exceeding my expectations. So I used this entire row. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other row with this eye, and I'll see you when I'm done with that. Alright, guys, so I have all the gemstones all on my eye, and they look super cute. I'm so happy that this worked out. So now it's on to the last part. Well, not the last part, because we still have to do our lips. Is our lashes. So here are the lashes we're going to be putting on. And I'm going to go ahead and use some glue, and I'm going to put them on. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on. So here's my lash, already has glue on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Okay, guys, there's one lash on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on, and I'll see you then. Alright, guys, the lashes are on. What do you guys think? These are a little bit shorter than the lashes that I usually use. For the lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use this NYX Fat Lip Oil. Just like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and use some lip liner too. Okay, I'm just gonna use this lip liner. And with that, guys, our candy cane inspired Christmas holiday makeup is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much. Please, please, please enjoy your holidays. Happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa, and Merry Christmas. Whatever holiday you celebrate, please make it the best one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and comment for any ideas or any suggestions, or if you want any just like simple tutorials or anything like that. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.